Hey guys, welcome back to Annie Might Be Interesting. I know it's not a huge deal to everyone, but I'm excited. I have been looking for houseplants and I went to Lowe's and their selection was terrible. And I had put a post on Facebook today asking where to find the best houseplants because I was very dissatisfied with what they had at Lowe's. I decided to go to the back of Walmart and see what they had. Didn't really like their stuff either, but I did find something. So that's the price. And I got them for $3.99. I got 2 of them. So, I mean, I wouldn't have bought these if they were the $15.96. But I figured, heck, they think these things are dying and they're trying to get rid of them, so I will get them and nurse them back to life. I also got this. I'm going to take these out and put some fresh soil in there because I don't trust this. Plus it was like almost dead, so I figured I'll give it a fresh start and see what I can do. And these pots, I thought, kind of go because I'm trying to put coral in my back room. So I might leave them that way. But I also got this, which is coral. I mean, it's close. But I did also get these, which I do plan to paint with this. And I got these, which I thought were beautiful. So I'm gonna paint the pots with the coral. And then I am going to cut these and stick them in the top of the pot. I have rocks to stick down in the bottom to help weigh it down. And then this will be the pop of coral for my gray room. So these are the projects I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna show you when I do all of this so that you can see. We were at Lowe's the other day. We got the most beautiful plants. Peonies and dahlias, pink and white also. Super excited about these. And the blue hostas, y'all. My garden is going to be so pretty. When those bloom, I will definitely show you what they look like.